Hello and welcome back, guys. As I have shown you in the previous video, this is the website that earned me more than $13,000 in just 6 months and still earning me money till today. Just for example, yesterday I have earned more than $100, as you can see right here, and today I'm already at $46. So the method is still working. You can earn a lot of money with this simple idea. Okay, this is the easiest way you can earn money with Google AdSense. So to start, you need first to pick a niche. In this video I will explain how you can pick a niche and what you should know before deciding which idea you need to have for your Facebook game. You can just invent any game, but if you have none and you want some inspiration, you can use the quizzes from BuzzFeed. If you go to this website, you will see a lot of questions. Just scroll down, okay, to find a question, okay, to get some inspiration. For example, this one, which is trending: when will you get married? This is a good question, this is a good game, and we may consider using this one. But first, you need to decide what type of website you will have. Do you want to go specific, or general? Being specific means that your website will answer only one question. Okay? For example, if we are too specific, we may have something like which Game of Thrones character you look like. This is a specific niche. Okay, this is a specific game. You can only use one picture and you only have a specific audience. If you want to go to general, we may ask something like when will you do this? Okay, if you ask when will you do this, we may have a photo of a couple, which means getting married, or we may have a photo for someone who is rich. Okay, and people will think the question is when will you get rich, or something like that, and you will answer it. This is when. The answer is always the title. As you can see here, the question was comment kid.ma and to see your future baby, and the answer is this is your future baby. This is the answer. The answer is always the Open Graph title, which is shown right here. So if you are too general, your title should be something like this is when, and that's all. So for now, go and pick a niche. Try to go general. If you want to get a lot of traffic, try to go general. Don't go too specific. So your website can have more exposure. Okay.